So DirecTV is the largest satellite television provider in the United States. We have about 20 million customers here in the US and then another 16 million in South America and Latin America. Over the last several years, we've really seen a change in the demand of IT. Consumerization is driving technology to customers at a much faster pace. In order to keep up with these changes in consumerization, we're having to figure out how to make our legacy systems more flexible and more agile. And that's where a lot of these DevOps type tools come into play. They allow us to be more flexible and more agile and move forward at a much quicker pace, creating tools that draw the customers and the users in. DevOps is an interesting animal right now. It's something that the industry is, I think, using to really drive product direction and drive roadmaps and things like that. But DevOps in and of itself is really about operations and development organizations being tightly integrated, tightly coupled, and working towards the same goals. So DevOps for us is really, it's a strange word and a little bit of a strange place here at DirecTV, because we've never thought of naming what we do, DevOps. I think the DevOps term has come from this grassroots movement of people realizing that things have to change and shift in order for companies to be able to be quick, agile, and have high quality. I think here at DirecTV we've been able to do that for quite a while because of just strength and leadership in the organization. So we don't call this DevOps here at all. We really just call it the way we work. So we've, for the last 6 years, have really worked as one organization across development and operations. It's just been critical to our ability to deliver. The benefits are huge in doing that because there's never a point where operations should be responsible for everything that's thrown over the wall from development. Our working model is really that we have really tight accountability throughout the flow, and our developers and operations folks are working on the deliveries that are happening together. The challenges of DevOps, I think, are really leadership challenges, in my opinion. These are things that really have to be driven from the CIO and their direct reports. Those folks have to have the same goals and the same focus so that the organizations below them don't get these barriers. I mean, these silos have been built up over years and years, and if we don't break them down from a leadership standpoint, they'll never be broken down. I think if I were trying to move from a standstill into DevOps, the first thing I would do is align the goals of the delivery head and the operations head, because if they don't have aligned goals and they aren't focused on the same things, if your operations head is not focused on the delivery needs, is not focused on getting things out to market to the business quickly, and the development person is not focused on getting that done with high quality in a manageable and sustainable way, creating a new DevOps role doesn't help. I think once you have that alignment, then you can start looking at how you adjust your organization and maybe create some different roles or bring in technologies to help you with that. But really, I think first there has to be that alignment and focus at the top that we are going to do both, time to market, deliver value to the business, and do it with high quality in a sustainable fashion quickly. Until that happens, it's really a moot point.